student, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have completed our first chapter, and in our previous class our first chapter has completed. In our first chapter the last topic is Roman numerals. That means we have learned how to write the Roman numbers from 1 to 100, and we have completed that exercise. Today we have started the new chapter. Our second chapter is fundamental operations. Fundamental operations means already you know how to do additions, how to do subtractions, some you know how to do multiplication. Some of you all know how to do multiplications. Divisions also we have learned. I think you have forgotten divisions, but you know additions and subtractions well. Additions and subtractions you know well. So fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These four are called basic fundamental operations in the maths. Maths లో ఉండే fundamental operations ఏంటంటే addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First here we have about addition. So we have learned about addition and how to do addition we will learn. After the completion of addition we will go for subtraction, next multiplication, next division. One by one we will learn. So first is about addition. First about addition. Addition. The spelling of addition is A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Addition means the combination of two or more things. రెండు లేదా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ వస్తువులని కలపడం. Otherwise the combination of two or more numbers is called addition. The combination of otherwise the combining. The combining of two or more numbers is called addition. If you have only one number, here I have written only 3. Can you find the addition for this 3? No, if you have one number then you cannot find the addition. That means that just now I said the combination of two or more numbers is called addition. The combining of two or more numbers is called addition. రెండు లేదా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ numbers ని కలపడాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే addition. Two or more. Other you have, if you want to take 2, then otherwise you can 2 or more also no problem. Like this. 3 plus 4 it gives 7. 2 or more also no problem. 3 plus 4 plus 1 also you can take. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 1 8, like this. That means the combining of two or more numbers is called addition. So that is the definition for additions. And for additions we will use one symbol. It is the symbol. This symbol we will use for addition. It is called plus. The definition of addition is the combining of two or more numbers is called addition. For addition we will use this symbol. It is called plus. It is called plus. Then just now I said the combining of two or more numbers. Two or more numbers అని చెప్పాను కదా. For example here I am taking two digit numbers. That is 34 and more one I am taking 12. Here this symbol we have to use this plus. It is called plus. This plus we have to use for addition. Then while you are doing addition, you have to start the solution from right side to left side. In the right side, the first place value is ones. That means you have to start the addition from ones place onwards. Right side on the first place value enti 1. So you have to start the solution from ones place onwards. It is ones place, it is tens place. So first add the ones place number, then comes to the tens place number. What are the digits in the ones place? 4 and 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 it gives 6. The ones place we got 6. Then tens place 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 it gives 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here we got 46. This 46 is called addition. Here for this 34 and 12 we got the answer as 46. In the addition this answer is called sum. The spelling of sum is S-U-M, sum. Find the sum. Sum ante addition. Addition lo వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ ఏమంటారంటే sum అంటారు. ఓకేనా? Then for this 34 how much we added? 34 కి ఎంత కలిపామన్నా ఇక్కడ 12. This 12 is called addend. Add చేస్తున్నాం కదా? So 12 is called addend. మనం యాడ్ చేసే నెంబర్స్ ఏమంటారంటే addends అంటారు. The number to be added is called addends. మనం యాడ్ చేసిన నెంబర్స్ ని the number to be added. 34 we are adding 12. So 12 is called addend. If you are adding more than one, then you have to say that is addends. Addend. Okay, we'll add 3-digit number. 10 plus 12 plus 13. 10 plus 12 plus 13. 10. 12 is a 2-digit number. 1's place, 10's place. 1's place, 10's place. How many addends are there? 2 addends. One is 12, another one is 13. Any addends ఉన్నాయని ఇక్కడ మనం ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం? For this 10 we are adding 12 and 13. 10 కి 12 ని కలుపుతున్నాము, 13 కలుపుతున్నాము. So 12 and 13 both are called addends. The numbers to be added are called addends. యాడ్ చేసే నెంబర్స్ ఏమంటారంటే addends అంటారు. The spelling of addends is ADDENDS. యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, 10 కి వేటిని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. For this 10 we are adding 12 and 13. So 12 and 13 are called addends. 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 Okay, here we are finding addition, so this symbol we have to use. It is called plus. Next, add these numbers. 0 plus 2. If you add 0 to any number or any number to 0, you will get the same number as the answer. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ కి 0 ని యాడ్ చేసినా, 0 కి ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని యాడ్ చేసినా, you will get the same number as the answer. So 0 plus 2 or 2 plus 0 is 2 only. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. We got 35 as answer. The 35 is called sum. The sum of 10 plus 12 plus 13 is 35. The sum of not SOME sum, SUM sum. Sum means in the addition answer is called sum. So the sum of 10 plus 12 plus 13 is 35. Understand? It is a introduction about addition. Have you understood about addition? So addition definition once again. The combining of 2 or more numbers is called addition. This symbol is called plus. To find the addition we will use this symbol. Then the numbers to be added are called addends. మనం యాడ్ చేసిన numbers ని addends అంటాము. Finally in the addition answer is called sum. The spelling of sum is SUM sum, not SOME sum. SOME sum కాదు, SUM sum. In the addition answer is called sum. So it is about addition. Then how to add the numbers? How to add the 2-digit numbers? How to add the 3-digit numbers? How to add the numbers without row grouping? With row grouping means how to add the numbers with carry, without carry. Understand? First of all, addition of, once again we will recall about 3-digit numbers. Addition of 3-digit numbers. Addition of 3-digit numbers without row grouping. Grouping and regrouping. These terms we have to use in the additions. Grouping and regrouping. Addition of 3-digit numbers. Grouping means the addition of numbers with carry. Grouping with carry, regrouping without carry. Understand? Addition of numbers with carry, without carry. Addition of 3-digit numbers already we have learned. So without regrouping, without regrouping, with regrouping. Addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping ante, in the addition we will use the terms regrouping and without regrouping and with regrouping. Without regrouping means without carry, with regrouping means with carry. Carry lekunda ela cheyali, carry unte ela cheyali. First, addition of 3-digit numbers. Already you know how to do addition for 3-digit numbers. Once again we will recall. Now 347. Next the number is 121. You have to write this 121 from right side to left side. In the right side the first number is 1, 2, 1. Add, you have to write addition symbol compulsory. 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4. The sum of 347 plus 121 is 468. Understand? Addition of 3 digit numbers without regrouping. Carry lekunda ila cheyali without regrouping. Then addition of 3 digit numbers with regrouping. That means here I will take one number. Three digit numbers 397, 493, 394. See, I am writing straight to straight. Straight ga rastunnanu. Straight ga rastunnanu and I have written from right side to left side. That means I have started from ones place. Ones place నుండి start చేశాను. So you have to start from ones place. మీరు కూడా ones place నుండి start చేయాలి. Add 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 gives 10. 10 is a 2 digit number. If you get 2 digits, then ones place. ఒకవేళ మీకు 2 digit numbers ఏం చేయాలంటే ones place number you have to write in the answer. Tens place number will becomes carry to the next number. Ones place number నేమో answer లో రాయాలి. Tens place లో number next number కి carry రాయాలి. Here the next number is 9. So 1 becomes carry to the 9. ఇక్కడ next number 9 కాబట్టి 1 అనేది 9 కి carry రాయాలి. So if now add this, you have to add carry also. Carry ని కూడా add చేయాలి. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 9 19. Here 19 is also a 2 digit number. 19 to the 2 digit number kada. So here in the 19 ones place we have 9. So 9 you have to write here. After 9 here we have 1. 1 becomes carry to the next number. The next number is 3. So 1 becomes carry to 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. So the sum of 397 plus 493 is 890. Like this. Addition of 3 digit numbers. Without regrouping, with regrouping. Without carry, with carry. Carry lekunda carry తో ఉండడం. Carry ఉంటే మీరు ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలన్న ones place number. If you get any confused, simply have to write the 2 digit number side of the addition. Addition పక్కన 2 digit number ని రాసుకొని what do you have in ones place? That ones place number will becomes, you have to write the answer. Tens place number will carry to the next number. You have to write the tens place number as carry, ones place number as the answer. Like this you have to add the 3 digit numbers. Already we have completed we have across the 3 digit number. Addition of 3 digit numbers we have learned in our previous class. In our previous class means in your third class. In your previous class. In third class we have learned already how to add 3 digit numbers. Then now your fourth class. So in fourth class we have the addition with 4 digit numbers. Addition of 4 digit numbers with carry, without carry. Addition of 4 digit numbers. Addition of 4 digit numbers. Carry lekunda ela cheyali, carry unte ela cheyali. Okay na? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 3,413. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1,345. These two are the 4 digit numbers. Now we are learning addition of 4 digit numbers. Now write the first number as this 3413. Now one 4 digit number has completed. Next the 4 digit number is 1,345. So you have to write next number down to the first number. Next number ni kinda రాయండి. ఎక్కడ start చేయాలి? Right side to left side or left side to right side? Right side to left side. In the right side what is the first digit? 5. So 5 ఎక్కడ రాయాలి? 5 3 కి straight గా రాయాలి. Next 4. Next 3. Next 1. Plus. Okay? Now add this. 3 plus 5 8. 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 3 7. 3 plus 1 4. The sum of 3,413 and 1,345 is 4,758. 4,758. Addition of 4 digit numbers without regrouping, without carry. Regrouping means without carry. Next, addition of 4 digit numbers with carry. Now write 3917. Next 9,786. So you have to start from right side to left side. 6 8 7 9 plus. Write the plus symbol. Now count the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We got 4-digit number. Now add. From where you have to start the addition? From ones place onwards you have to start the addition. In the ones place we have 7 and 6. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. Just now I said if you got 2-digit number, then ones place number you have to write in the answer. Tens place number will becomes carried to the next number. The next number is 1. 1 becomes carried to the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 అనేది కూడా 2-digit number కాబట్టి here also same. 0 you have to write here. 1 becomes carried to the next number. Next number is 9. ఇప్పుడు 1 అనేది 9 కి carry వస్తుంది again. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17. 17 is also a 2-digit number. If you got 2-digit number, what you have to do? Tens place number, ones place number you have to write in the answer. Tens place number will becomes carried to the next number. Ones place లో 7 ఉంది కాబట్టి 7 ని ఆన్సర్ లో రాయాలి. Tens place లో 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ కి క్యారీ చేయాలి. Here the next number is 3, so 1 becomes carried to the 3. Now add these 3. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 9 13. మేడం ఇక్కడ కూడా 2-digit నెంబర్ వస్తుంది మరి 13 ఎందుకు యాస్టింగ్ రాస్తున్నారంటే here we don't have any number. పక్కన నెంబర్ ఉందనా? లేదు. క్యారీ రానికి నెంబర్ లేదు కదా? We have a number. If you have a number, then you have to write the carry. If you don't have a number, then you have to write the 2-digit number as it is. Okay, carry ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ ఉందనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు 1 ఇక్కడ క్యారీ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏం నెంబర్స్ లేవు కదా క్యారీ చేయడానికి. So you have to write the 13 as it is. Understand? If you have the next number, then you have to write carry. If you don't have the next number, then you have to write the 2-digit number as it is. Next number ఉంటేనే క్యారీ రాయాలి. Next number లేకపోతే 2-digit number ని as it is గా రాసుకోవాలి. These are the addition of 2 to 4-digit numbers without carry, with carry. Understand? Then see in your textbooks. Here, see in your textbooks, page number 24. In the page number 24, we have exercise 2.1. In the exercise 2.1, we have a bit. Add the following. They have given with box ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You have to complete in this textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 problems are there. 4 they have given like this. 4 they have given like this. You have to convert this also like this and you have to complete. వీటిని కూడా ఇలా రాసుకోవాలని చూపిస్తాను. అవన్నీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కంప్లీట్ చేసి నోట్ బుక్ లో కూడా రాయాలి. ఓకే, దెన్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2.1. One, 2, 3, 4. These 4 problems you have to add directly. 4 problems ni directly add cheyali. I will explain 5th one. Remaining all are your homework. So exercise 2.1. I will explain a bit. Add the following. Let's play first one and fifth one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 7, 7, 7, 7. 3, 3, 3, 3. Add. Addition check to 4-digit numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. If you get 2 digits, then what you have to do? Ones place number you have to write here. Tens place number will becomes carried to the next number again. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. If you get 2-digit numbers, ones place number you have to write in the answer. Tens place number will becomes carried to the next number. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. Ones place number you have to write in the answer. Tens place number will becomes carried to the next number. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. Here I am writing that 11 as it is. Why I am writing that as it is? Because here there is no more extra number. ఇక్కడ extra number ఏం లేదు కదా పక్కన క్యారీ చేయడానికి. So you have to write the 2-digit number as it is. It is the answer. 11,110. No need to separate the number with commas. Just leave like this. 11,110. Like this you have to complete remaining 3 problems in your textbooks. Understand? If you get 2-digit numbers ane confuse kaakandi. Ones place number you have to write in the answer. Tens place number will becomes next number to the carry. For last number, if you get 1 digit వస్తే అలానే రాయండి. 2 digits వచ్చినప్పుడు అలానే రాయండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ పక్కన ఎక్స్ట్రా నెంబర్ లేదా క్యారీ చేయడానికి. So you have to write as it is. Like this you have to add. Next I will explain 5th one. 6th, 7th, 8th like this only. 5th one చెప్తాను. 6th one, 7th one, 8th one ఇట్లానే చేయాలి మీరు. 7081 plus 5539. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1807. Next number is 9355. Right side to left side. From ones place onwards you have to start. In the ones place the first number is 1 and 9. 9 plus 1 it is 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. 0 you have to write here. 1 becomes carry. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. 2 you have to write here. 1 becomes carry. 5. 0 plus 1 1. Already just now I said if you add 0 to any number to 0 you will get the same number as answer. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ కి 0 ని యాడ్ చేసినా 0 కి ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని యాడ్ చేసినా you will get the same number as answer. అదే నెంబర్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 5 is 12. Here why I have written 12 as is. నేను ఎందుకు 12 as is గా రాశాను? Because here we don't have any more extra number to side of the 7. 7 కి పక్కన ఏ నెంబర్స్ లేవు కదా క్యారీ చేయడానికి. So I have written the table as this. So like this you have to complete the 6, 7, 8 problems as this. Then you have to copy exercise 2.1 in your notebook. Complete your homework up to here. Here next in the B bit we have 2 more word problems. I'll explain the 2 more word problems in the next video. Complete your homework up to here. In this exercise if you have any doubts ask to me, I'll explain again. Okay.